According to the passage, which of the following statements would denote the function of scent glands of a cat? Purr denotes making a low continuous vibratory sound, usually expressing contentment, which is the function of vocal system of body. And according to the passage, choice A is so irrelevant and incorrect. Choice B is a correct answer. A cat rubs against people not only to be affectionate but also to mark out its territory with scent glands around its face. The scent glands work to mark the territory regarding the people to get affection or petted. Choice C is another correct answer. The tail area and paws are also responsible to carry the cat's scent. So scent glands have to work on the area of tail. So the correct answers are choice B and choice C.